Morning, Gray. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Sweet girl. When you're a low-carb keto household, this might be what you would send for lunch. A piece of bacon, mozzarella with, how do you say it, prosciutto?
Don't look at me.
Wrapped around it. A nice piece of, this is a rum runner cheese. Homemade ranch dressing, no soybean oils, and a bacon cheddar cheeseburger. I brought Dot over to see.
Where's mine?
I'm sorry, she's not going to be all pretty shiny this morning.
It's alright. I'll get her all prettied up maybe this afternoon or tomorrow for sure.
Okay. All my guys are out here this morning. Marty is on task. And Tux didn't hop down off the platform this morning. Let me go change out these water bowls. They're nasty after we had rain. And boy, did we have another line of rain come through about 6:30. Hi. You ready for me to come out with your food? I'm coming. Get it unlocked. Grab the bowls. Hi. 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 Good boy. He did talk to me, but he's not a loud talker. Tux gave me a big old meow greeting as I come out the door. Sorry you guys missed that. Hi. Hey, Tux. Will you hold down the fort while I'm gone and don't get into any trouble? It's about impossible to get out the door, be filming, not fall, carry all my stuff. Sorry I missed that though, he's so cute sometimes. Well, pretty much all the time, but you know what I mean. Good morning, Ruby. Well, it looks like we have totally cleared up overnight and we've made a great strides towards drying out overnight. And it's 46 out there according to Ruby, so not too cold. It's been an uneventful ride-in this morning. ETA is 7:27, probably be 7:30, that's okay. Johnny's been studying for an AP Stats test, so we've been kind of quiet. 46, did I say that? It's not too bad out there. I'll take 46 over 36 for the morning walk. I'm on my way back to Fuquay. 8:45 is my target to get home. That's not bad. I spent a few minutes at St. Monica's talking to Michelle and Dawn is mostly what I did there this morning. Michelle has a killer migraine. You may have heard me say before from time to time that she suffers from migraines. And Sean's basically taking care of the kids for her this morning, and she's taking more pain meds and going back to bed. So it sounds like obviously she won't be able to meet me at Guardian Angel today, which you know, is a bummer, but I obviously understand and wish my friend well. And there'll be many more good shopping days to come. So yeah, hopefully she'll be feeling better. And I did talk to Don a little bit. He sent me a news article that he wanted me to read, which I did. It was a little lengthy, but well written and worth reading. So I did that. So how about that overnight Tesla stock price, huh? I guess it was a relief. It was good. I hope it stays good. You never know. Our interpretation, those of us I would call us Tesla insiders, of what's going on, and the people that seem to have lost faith with reality. Some of the market analyst people are certainly not always thinking the same things, us and them. So one never knows. But I did, at least short term, enjoy the price going up last night. The stock value going up, so that was good. It sounded like I did not get a chance to watch the entire earnings thing, but we had Rob up and I did hear some of it while I was cooking. You know, darn those adulting things we have to do. Sounded like there was a lot of goodness coming out. And Dawn and I did actually watch, I was sitting down a little later, Elon talking at the Gigafactory in Nevada about the plans for out there. So I did see that in a lot of good detail, and I thought Elon looked well, happy, good at the talk that he gave, so the presentation. So I was pleased to see that. Marty! Hey, Mart! Hey, buddy! Is Tux in there? No, that's Morris. I don't know where Tux is. Hey, Stripey! What you doing up there? Come here! There you come! Whoops! You guys can't see him. There he is. Hey, Stripey! Hi, my sweet boy! Hi, this is his routine. He does the holly tree, then he does the pole for the bird feeder, and then he comes over if he thinks it's really safe. You know what this means. It's that time in the daily program where Don and I are out here for our walk, because it's good for us, right, Donnie?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Don looks like he's trying not to get shot as a deer today. He's got on his high-vis outfit. I've actually got on a black jacket, but I do have on my pink sneakers.
Yeah.
This black felt jacket I've got on, it's big enough to go over top of my weight vest, and it's fairly warm, so that is that choice. I don't know how much rain we had yesterday, but well over an inch again. So if we had 3 inches this week between the two strong events, I wouldn't be surprised. You can see all the water here on the side of the trail, the parts of the trail that don't drain as well as they should have water buildup. This trail's pretty darn good. I mean, I don't expect no water runoff after a big storm, especially where there's some hills on the side, but there is a little bit. Oh no, not this hill again. Every weekday morning. At least it could be worse. It could be the golf course hill.
That's right. Take that vest, load her up, go up that hill.
Are you doing a hit today?
No, not today. One more day, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, I was just trying to find out if I was carrying your vest up the hill after the walk or not. Really, that hill is hard, and the 10 extra pounds doesn't seem to increase it. It's just already hard. I just wanted to show that the church property has left a few of those big trees right on the border with this little, we'll call it a wildlife area here. I kept on waiting for those last few trees to fall. Although I'd like to point out that sometimes trees are healthy and rely on the trees around them to stay upright and continue to be healthy. And when you take a bunch of trees out away from a tree, especially one that tall, it can have negative consequences, especially in the wind. But hopefully if one of them were to come down, it wouldn't damage anything even after the church is built. It's certainly not close enough to the condominiums over there to hurt them. It's pretty quiet up here today. Nobody on the playground. Nobody on the track. It's actually plenty nice to be out here though. This is our third and final lap. We're doing good. We're at 24-minute miles. There wasn't a lot of trash today.
No, I agree. I don't think I only picked up like one thing or two things. No.
Yeah, I was a little concerned when I came by. You can turn around now. When I came by the environmental park on my way to the house, coming back from downtown, that there was a truck kind of in one of those driveways there, and I was afraid they were dumping things, and we couldn't quite tell. They may have been dumping yard debris, which wouldn't be as bad as dumping trash. There's definitely people starting to go in there and drop off bags of trash now though. So I don't know, maybe send an email to the town and tell them about the problem and ask, that's a hawk, and ask them if they can you know, just come and put a little fence piece there that would prevent somebody from driving in and dumping, because you know, it's a lot. It would be no big deal now to go in and pull out the 20 bags, one pickup truck load, take it to the landfill and put up the fence, but left unattended for a period of time, and then it's multiple truckloads, and I mean, why let that happen, right? So I don't understand why folks would do that, but I guess, I mean, maybe I understand trash pickup is really expensive and gas is expensive and they don't want to drive to the convenience site or pay for trash pickup, but still no excuse. Well, I am feeling the burn in my legs coming up that hill today. I'm off, but not with my buddy again. I know she can't help it. I feel so bad for her. She struggled with those migraines the whole time I've known her, and there's nothing really you can do except get in the dark, quiet room and wait it out. But all right, I'll be home between 3 and 3:30.
Okay.
It's Thursday.
I'll just be working, but I think I am gonna go make myself a tea.
Okay, Rubio's, Don drinks Rubio's.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want to just another cup of coffee? I say go for another cup of coffee.
I've got tea bags to use up.
Have a coffee for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you can tell Ruby got rained on, but she does look better than before we washed her still, so there's that. I'm here pretty much right at opening today. I've never seen that De Morgan print, and what a lovely frame too. I can see why it's marked up just a little bit over some other things. I'm collecting these houses, and I don't have the schoolhouse, but it's for that green shelf inside the fireplace, and it's too tall. Dang it. That is really in good condition butterfly pattern, and that is not bad for all 4 pieces. That's actually a good deal. Yep, and they all look like the paint's good on them. I can't justify it though. That's a pretty nice scratching post. Too bad I don't need it. I'm looking for linens for Johnny to take off to college. You know, stuff nicer than what I would buy him if I went out and bought it. But it's going to be a long summer of looking to find something that I think he'll like and will work. Otherwise, I'll just buy him something. I didn't know Skechers made scrubs. This would be a nice alternative. I'm sure this is a great deal, but not my color. Welcome to my happy place. I was thinking that was true about here, and that was also true about home. Well, it's 54 out there and turned out to be a lovely afternoon. I called Miss J, and yeah, I see the Ioniq 5. I called Miss J to see if she'd like lunch brought today because I had a little extra time, but she had another visitor. But I did chat with her for a while, and thought about making a left here and going to see Dusty. He's about a mile to the left, and the thought of seeing him and then having to say goodbye to him again, it almost brought a tear to my eye. So I decided not to do that. I don't know if they told me he needed me, I'd be there so fast it'd make your head spin, right? But I figure if he's adjusting without me and I'm adjusting without him, maybe not open wounds for either one of us. I don't know. I can always change my mind on a different day, but I decided not to do that. But I am thinking of my little buddy. I am thinking about him a lot. So I've got just a few minutes before I pick up Johnny, waiting over here at St. Monica's, and I'm just checking out the bin of Legos I got this morning. The staff was so excited that they had this for me. It's huge. Great deal. There's a lot of, wow, check that out. There's a lot of Bionicles in here, although there's other stuff too. I thought Johnny would be excited about the Bionicles. I think this is the rest of the, maybe goes with that. Yeah, that's actually part of the amusement park sets. One of the ones I don't have, so that's awesome. Wow, that's pretty, and it's genuine Lego. So exciting. The ladies, they did real good by me today up there, real good. Yeah, I remember this set. The horse has a thing he can jump over like he's, you know, competing. Hi, pretty Model S. It's just a little after 4 and I've got kitties taken care of and guardian angel stuff brought inside, and Don's trying to finish up work for the day, but I'm going to work on my Lego thing a little bit. I didn't get to touch it yesterday. I'd like to do, you know, at least a little bit. I'm feeling pretty good. Yesterday I was feeling a little off, and I told you my sodium level was a little low. I took some electrolytes and I felt good since then. So, hi. So, I'm feeling good. I'm going to make use of feeling good. I got to step 45. Time to stop for the night. I couldn't quite build the windows. I'm still missing these inverted red slopes in the front. But, good progress. So you upgraded me?
Yeah, I used her scissors the other day and they were hurting my fingers because they're actually broke right here.
Yep.
The tang doesn't go into the handle. So I went and got my sweetie some nice kitchen scissors, and they're the types that come apart. So you can wash them.
Way cool.
And
We used them to cut Johnny's sausage and
a little scalper to keep you from stabbing yourself.
right, and some other reasons. Yeah, like that's gonna stay on there.
Yeah, well.
Nice try. Thank you, Donnie.
You're welcome.
Elon talked about putting Pokemon Go in the car at one time, and if I could just tell her to take the Pokemon Go route through town, Elon, are you listening? Then that would be kind of cool. We're headed to Taekwondo. My purse is in the car, so I'm having to open the door. I went into Walmart and got what I needed. Toilet tissue, a chicken to cook over the weekend when what I have runs out. And I picked up a Lego Dots set on clearance for $10. Lego is discontinuing Dots, so there are going to be a lot of Dots on clearance. Sure is steamy down there in the Taekwondo school. Johnny should be coming out here in just a minute.